All right, time to take a look at some interesting sidebar stories this morning.
Yeah, and this may be one of my favorite stories of the week. I'm so fascinated by 3D printers. I've actually never seen one in action.
No?
No, so I have so many questions, but this technology is blowing my mind, especially when you think about this. A 3D printer printing a house.
An entire house.
A house that looks like this. This is the latest technology coming out of the South by Southwest event that's happening down in California right now. So think about this. This house you're looking at they can print anywhere from like 600 to 800 square feet. It costs about $5,000 Canadian. It only takes 12 to 24 hours to build this thing.
Wow.
Now, there's some things obviously that it can't print, like the windows, plumbing, electrical, that type of thing. But the implications of this are major. And what the plans for this are, so that's what the 3D printer looks like there. The plan is to build 100 houses in El Salvador. And that's going to be happening soon. So you think about the developing countries and those that need
housing
and shelter, and quickly and inexpensively.
Post-natural disaster, this is amazing.
Think about how this could really affect.
This is a game changer.
It's a game changer.
You know, I remember when 3D printers first came out, they were doing very small objects, and they still do for the most part. But to see this, though,
incredible.
I mean, now we're getting into houses.
I know.
Like, imagine a decade from now.
And solid, too.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're talking cement build. The whole thing, I think it's so interesting.
Technology.